Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to send certified mail with return receipt the right way. So this is helpful because it can save you time at the post office. It helps you avoid mistakes and makes the whole process much easier when you are ready to mail your letter. So first, get your envelope, a certified mail receipt, and a return receipt form. So these forms are usually available at the post office, and if you do not see them out, you can simply ask for a postal worker for them. They are free to take and fill out before you get in line. Next, write the sender's name and address in the top left corner of the envelope. Then write the recipient's name and address a little lower than usual so that there is enough space on the front for the certified mail label and the postage. So that space is important because the postal worker will need room to place the barcode label and the postage on the envelope. So after that, fill out the certified mail receipt by writing the recipient's address information on it. So that is the main part that you need to complete. Then peel the backing off carefully and place that certified mail receipt on the front of the envelope close to the sender's address, while still leaving enough room for the postage. Now, move to the return receipt form, fill it out so the sender's address is written on the side that will be attached to the envelope, and make sure the recipient's information faces outward. Then attach that form to back of the envelope. Be careful not to place it over anything on the front or too close to the certified mail label. And lastly, take the small numbered sticker from the certified mail receipt and place it in the box on the return receipt form. So once that is done, your envelope is ready to take to the post office, and process at the counter should go much more smoothly. So that is it for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below.